Just an informational video here regarding this Ariens 926 Pro snowblower. I'm actually interested in knowing what the wiring is on this thing, as far as wiring for the headlight and the heated hand grips. If we look underneath, alright, so here's where the wiring for the heated hand grips, the switch, the on-off switch, the plug that actually goes to each of the hand grips, and then the wire for the light, and it all comes down here to the engine. Oh, just for the record, it's 926008. So, coming around on this side of the engine, here's the wires from the hand grips and the light, black and yellow, and the black one continues over to here where it's grounded. The yellow one's connected to the red terminal of a voltage regulator. The yellow wire from the voltage regulator goes to the black wire that comes from the alternator. So this is a DC setup. The alternator is pushing out AC. The regulator converts it to DC, and then the DC power controls the lights and the hand grips. So closer look at the engine here. A Briggs and Stratton Intek Snow, 9.5 horsepower. So, if that helps anybody, cool.